For all the latest reviews, interviews, and everything entertainment in Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, and Telugu, subscribe to Film Companion South now.
Actors are by design walking contradictions, right? You have massive insecurities, also inflated egos.
Wow. Thanks for calling us all the way here,
This is
making us
what
sit
the show
together. This is what she wanted to say from the beginning.
You should have opened with that.
Waiting now for 30 minutes.
Okay,
That's the trailer.
now I've got the attention of these guys. Now let me just put it out there. Yes, Anu, continue. And
And your art requires you to be emotionally transparent, but modern day celebrity requires you to put yourself out there, share yourself as much as possible. I don't know, how do you nurture this emotion inside of you? How do you nurture some of the things you're talking about, others, you know, that kind of enable you to observe and not kind of get caught up in the persona of who all of you are? How do you guys do that?
I'm not even aware of the persona. So I think that helps.
Really?
Yeah.
Sam, you're like a massive star.
I don't believe that in my. I hear it, I listen to it, and yes, people say that, but I don't believe it in my core, and so it becomes really and easy for me. I like to share on social media. I am transparent, so I'm blissfully unaware, and I like to keep it that way. And
Yeah, I think that's the best.
yeah. So
Also, I think the generation thing now again, it comes to none of us have. We have that image of कि हम किसी दुकान में जाएंगे and people will start jumping in. But I think the audience has also changed. There'll be like few people,
yeah.
one selfie. Okay, if you're sitting at an airport, they see you from far off, 10 people max, and eventually you can, live a normal life. I think the generation of fans have also changed. It's different when you go for an event, when they're looking forward to watching you. But if you stumble upon someone, or if you're just at a place where you, in public, you can really observe. I think it's not so traumatizing or dramatic
As I'm making it out
as you're
to be.
making it sound.
And
So
if
I
I need
think
to be grounded, I just have to take the flight from Hyderabad or Chennai to Mumbai, and nobody knows me. So I'm like, I'm normal here. So yeah, very simple.
it's beautiful you brought it up because lately, last couple of weeks, I've been discussing something similar with few co-stars of mine where I've been saying that, okay, we are supposed to be very real in our performance. People expect us to be very real in the interviews because they're like, hey, otherwise she's pretending, she's being fake. and
Authenticity is
Yeah.
everything, right?
she's not real at all. But when it comes to reacting over things that probably bother us or affect us, we are supposed to be reacting, being God, like who is not affected by all of this. And we should be the most righteous all the time, achieve that nirvana state who doesn't get affected with anything that is thrown at us.
no, but the media would love a reaction.
Yeah,
That's
no.
what they're asking a question all the time.
So no, this happened recently because when I got affected with a certain comment on me, and I was like, a lot of people ask me, why did you react like that? Why did you react like that? I'm like, I'm a human being first, then an actor. If I get affected by something, I have the right to react. It might be wrong, it might be right. You like me when I portray grey shades and layers in my films, and you want it to be very real and authentic. You like the fact that I own up to my mistakes or I say that I'm not that good in my interviews. But when I actually in real respond in that grey manner, you're not okay to take that, right? So that's very hypocritical of everyone to expect that we should be reacting in the most righteous way when we are not gods, we are also human beings. So I will react. So I let that vulnerability stay with me. I will react if I get hurt with something that has genuinely affected me. I will react to it. I will, just because I'm supposed to be demigod in minds of a few, I will not kill the human side of me. Let it come out. It is human. You've liked me for that in my films. You better accept me the way it is in real as well.
But I think, Tapsi, I think women have a harder time on social media.
Yeah.
Sam, you posted recently about how relentless the attack was on you regarding your divorce. And you said that I will not let this or anything else they say ever break me, which was just fabulous. Where did you find that strength?
Built it over the years.
Wow.
I think when I hear what Sanya says, and I remember myself being there. It was a while ago, and I remember crumbling and being sad. But now, see, social media. I believe that stars thrive on the love of their fans, and I am extremely grateful for the love and support I receive on social media. It keeps the engagement alive, you know, between an actor and a fan, in between films, and personally, I like to share. So now when I share, I'm also inviting these people into my life, and they are now connected to my life, and so my opinions, my actions, if they don't align with their world view, it's going to disappoint them. And yes, they are going to troll, and they're going to abuse you, but then such sort of disagreement happens even between friends and family, right? So I think the problem is with the anonymity. You know, that's what rears its really ugly head.
Yeah.
And my only request was, I don't demand unconditional acceptance. I did not say that, I did not ask for that. But there's a manner in which disagreement or disapproval can be communicated. That's all I ask for. Like, for example, like, you may like strawberry, I may like vanilla, but we can still sit down and have ice cream together, right? So it's you just respect that both of us can have different opinions, but we can still have kindness and compassion for one another. And I think that's what I was putting across. I was not regretting being on social media, or it was just I was trying to communicate my thought process. And I know that a lot of people were hurt, but there's a manner in which it needed to be communicated.
Yeah, absolutely.
She's been the first to do many things.
Yeah.
So let it be the first one to, you know, stand up and inspire so many others to do that
I
too.
know, that's lovely. I mean,
Yeah.
the way even I saw that. It's
Can I
said
just
it
ask
correctly.
if you're doing a film for her? Is that happening?
I have offered her something that I want to produce.
Yes, yes.
Oh,
And I would love
nice.
it if she does it. So we're working on
And
it.
I would love
Oh,
to be a
wow.
part of it. it's
Lovely. So it's they're not,
Shadi
are you guys? Yeah, I know.
you just casually,
Dono razi hain.
casually slipped in.
Yeah, and you know I can't lie.
And neither can
We just discovered that on the we were doing, you know, these little bites, and she can't lie. I can't. So